All right, so this is number 10 on the Algebra 2 practice test, and it says the fourth term of a sequence is 108. Each term after the first is 3 times the previous term. Write an explicit function that models the general term of the sequence, f of n. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and put f of n here because I know that that's going to start our function. All right, the second thing is I'm going to look back up here and it says each term after the first is 3 times, okay? That means r equals 3. That means we have a geometric sequence. If it's add or subtracting, it's a common difference and it would be arithmetic, but we know we have a geometric. So go to your formula sheet. Here is the formula for a geometric sequence. And now we're going to use the information that we have to write a function for this. All right, so it gives us 2 pieces of information. The fourth term is 108. All right, so a to the n, we can say a to the n is 108 equals our first term times our r, which is 3. And that's raised to the n minus 1. Now, our fourth term we know is 108. So since we're plugging in 108 here, we're going to put in the 4 here. So it's going to be 108. We're trying to find our first term right now. And then it's going to be 3. 4 minus 1 is to the 3rd power. So we're going to have 108 equals 3 cubed is 27. And then I'm going to divide both sides by 27. So a is going to equal 4. All right, now to write an explicit function, basically meaning just a function from this right here. So we're going to have, instead of a to the n, it told us to use f of n. So we put f of n equals, our first term is 4 times r. In this case, it's 3. That was given information as well. And then to the, since we're using n minus 1. So that would be our explicit function.